Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save energy with Duke Energy, beginner guide step by step clearly. Saving energy not only benefits your wallet but also the environment. Let's explore some practical steps to save energy with Duke Energy. First, sign up for your Duke Energy account online. Visit the Duke Energy website and create your account using your email and account number. Next, access your energy usage data. Review the detailed information on your monthly energy consumption. Identify high-usage appliances and areas in your home. Once you've identified them, consider implementing energy-efficient practices. Start by switching to LED light bulbs throughout your home. These bulbs use at least 75% less energy than traditional incandescent bulbs. Next, unplug electronics when they are not in use. Many devices still consume energy in standby mode, known as phantom load. Consider using power strips to easily unplug Additionally, set your thermostat to save energy when you're not home. A programmable thermostat can adjust the temperature automatically. During the summer, set the thermostat to 78 degrees Fahrenheit. For winter, aim for 68 degrees Fahrenheit to optimize savings. Next, make use of natural sunlight. Open curtains during the day to warm your space naturally. In colder months, close them at night to retain heat. Another method is to use energy-efficient appliances. Look for Energy Star certified models when replacing old ones. These appliances use less energy while providing the same performance. Next, regularly clean or replace your HVAC filters. Clogged filters make your system work harder, increasing energy use. Consider scheduling regular maintenance for your heating and cooling systems. This can improve efficiency and prolong the life of your equipment. Lastly, explore Duke Energy's energy efficiency programs. These programs may offer rebates and financial incentives for making improvements. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.